Master Service Companies, or as it was originally called, Healthy Indoor Air Services, was started in 2003. It was just another small company with no employees and only a vision to use the company's resources to impact the lives of others. I hired our first full-time employee in 2004. We moved out of my house and into our first office. It was an exciting time for my family and I, but very difficult as well. With no money to advertise, we recruited my kids as friends to rollerblade around the neighborhoods and drop off flyers, with only the promise of pizza when we were finished. At times it was very hard. We struggled a lot. Some days it had been much easier just to give up, but I felt like this was about something bigger. Fast forward until today, and I could have never imagined the impact this company would have on myself, my family, and so many others. We have impacted the lives of thousands of customers, helping them with projects that are very technical, stressful, and difficult to understand, all while working in an industry with very little trust. We have exceeded expectations of our customers and restored hope that old-fashioned service has not been forgotten by all. Customers contact us all the time, expressing their gratitude for what our company has done, and we strive to continually improve on the experiences that they receive. But you know, the most important lives that have been impacted by our company are the lives of our team members. We're a long way from that first employee and have not only provided jobs and income, but a family and support system. I've watched relationships form and friendships bond that will last a lifetime. I've watched employees come around and celebrate things that happened in the lives of their different teammates, weddings, births, the purchase of their first home or a new car, and so much more. I've watched team members help others that have experienced difficulties in life, such as death, sickness, and even been there for our team members who've unfortunately passed away and are no longer with us. So where are we at today? Last year, we embarked on the next stage of our journey and opened up 2 additional locations. If I'm honest, I have been reminded recently of the struggles we had in the beginning. Uncharted waters, needing more great people, but then being hard to find, trying to figure out how to organize everything properly, the stress of the large financial investment. There have been times that it just seemed like it would be easier to quit and go back to one location. With all the difficulties, I reminded myself that this is about something bigger. Today, everyone is working hard to work through the challenges of each location. They're working towards solutions that will one day be reflected on as the critical efforts that helped us succeed. We're recruiting, hiring, and onboarding the next generation of team members that are entering the company, and they're coming in with a fresh mindset and a desire to take the company to the next level. In Winston-Salem, North Carolina, we have organized a great team that will be the core of that location. Hardworking, dedicated team members that have fought through the last 8 months of change. They started even without a building to call their home. They worked in the community until we had enough customers to serve. They put sheetrock on the walls of our building. They cleaned the floors, they painted, and worked hard to get our building ready for the new team members and prepare that location for success. It's those employees that started in the beginning stage that will always have a unique perspective and the pride of fighting through and succeeding. No one will ever truly understand the sacrifices those have made to get that location off the ground. North Carolina will undoubtedly be a record-setting location in the future, helping thousands of customers while impacting the lives of all of our team members and them in turn impacting the community. Indianapolis, Indiana. We have organized a great team with great leadership. As I've learned over the years, success starts with the leaders, and this location has some great ones. They truly care about the mission of the company and the people who serve in it. We're focused only on recruiting great people so we can build a pioneering group of individuals to take that location to the next level. Indianapolis has the largest population of all of our locations. Starting at 0, it will take a while to build this location the right way. But as we recruit great people and expand the proper way, it will one day be the largest of all the locations we currently have. As with the sacrifices that were made in the beginning of our company and also in North Carolina, Those that are in the trenches this startup will be able to enjoy a sense of pride that few ever get to experience. Most people look for solutions that are easy and simple, but our core group in Indianapolis understand that we're only as good as the problems we can solve. So what's the future of master service companies? Well, since I would have never been able to predict what has become of this company over the last 15 years, I can't start now. My thinking is way too small and I can't even imagine. All I know is none of us can fully imagine what this company can accomplish in the next 15 years and beyond. Our company has a purpose and it's working hard to fulfill it. We have had some great team members sacrifice and work very hard to get us to where we are today. Some of those team members are still with us and some of those have moved on. It's been the hard work and dedication and sacrifice of all of them that has helped us to achieve the great success we enjoy today. For the future, it will be the hard work, dedication, and sacrifice of everyone currently on the team and those just joining us to take us to the next level. I can't wait to see the impact that this company has in the lives of others in the future.